Hello guys, it's Antonio Borrell here with you, and I would like to talk about packaging. Especially talk to you who manufacture packaging and who develop designs for packaging, and show you what I can do to help in the making of your project. That's why I brought the example of this spray bottle. As you can see, the project is very well detailed in every way. Everything is done to fit your needs, and any suitability for the project can be quickly made. Another interesting thing is that I can show you the design with materials and textures applied to the surface, so you can have an idea of the finished product ready. In this bottle, I applied semi-transparent plastic material. For example, if you tell me, Antonio does not want this blue color, please change for me to red. Okay, we change to red. Antonio does not want this red nozzle, change it to brown. Okay, I change it to brown. In short, all the details of the project are taken into account. Note the detail of the thread, for example, the thickness of the bottle wall, all within the most detailed specifications. Another important detail is that I can prepare your 3D printing project and send you everything ready. Just send it to print. So if you have a packaging project and would like to get a virtual 3D model of it, please contact me. All my contacts are in the description of this video. Okay, I'm waiting on you, and greetings to all, and see you in the next video.